All right, we just got in this 16-inch Blackstone pizza oven, and let's see how easy it is to put together. Let's get to it. So first we're gonna start with taking everything out and putting all the pieces on the floor so we have to see what we're working with. Instructions, who needs them? Let's get to it. This is heavy. Remove the lid. Step 2, make sure your handle goes into here like so. I was struggling for the longest time to try to figure this part out. It just goes right in to like that. Then it goes on to this part. So do both sides. Put it like that. And now we're going to screw it in. And don't forget to repeat the process on the other side. Step 3, we're gonna take this thing and place it inside and screw it in the holes. Batteries go in here. This part goes into the switch, and this is the power cord. Power cord goes into here. Don't forget to pull out the propane hose as it's stuck in there. We're gonna take these guys. The wheels screw into this side thing, like so. And then you're gonna attach it to the corner like this on all 4 sides. For this part, make sure you have 2 people to lift it up because it is pretty heavy to just lift, and you just plop it into the little holes. Take this piece and plop it down in there, and then take 2 screws and put them in. Throw on, cover, and stuff like that. Don't be like me, put the Blackstone sign on first before you put the oven on. I had to take off the Blackstone, the oven, in order to put this on. What a mess. Learn from me. Okay. And you're just gonna take your screws and screw them all in until they're nice and tight. And then put back on your oven.